This stretch of shophouses today, they were actually conserved in 2000 by URA, and it was conserved because it's one of the last continuous stretches of retail buildings along Orchard Road. So when SLA put it out for tender, what they actually asked for was for commercial users, but also for a collaborative community space to be put in this building. In addition to the natural void space, we added this green wall, which is a very nice green brush. Even the lights, the interesting light fittings and some of the motifs that we see, the ID of the building was also done in the Art Deco kind of theme. Okay, so we must work with interior designers to make sure that even this aspect is suitable to the architecture.
So these furnitures, as you see it, right, are actually award-winning design furnitures which are made of 100% trash. So you know the bottles, the PET bottles that you and I, after drinking, we throw it out. So they really go and collect it and then make into furnitures like that.
You see the space where we are standing now, right, used to be filled with very heavy M&E equipment and tanks and all that. So what was actually done is that they actually removed the equipment and relocated it to the roof. So that this can become a usable space, and they added this trellis and nice planting as well. So then this becomes a space where the office workers can actually hang out and chill. And it also returns the building to the original profile. And this really just used to be a rooftop. There were a few dog houses on the old place. They're called dog houses. I don't know where they actually kept dogs here. But there were also a lot of services, and it was not a space that people would come up to. It's just maintenance access. So actually, what Temasek did was to introduce a new extension, or a new space, which is this meeting room here on the top floor, so that they can actually activate this area. And now you can really appreciate that it was a shop house with a real service block on both sides, symmetrical. And we can also obviously appreciate the spiral staircases very well. And now what has also been done is that it's really opened up a new view of the building from Handy Road and from the rear. And what's nice is that today you can actually walk along the canal and you can come in through the back as well into the building. And this is really a new side of this whole stretch of Orchard Road.